Extended service life – application-specific advanced raceway design reduces stress, rotation and heat on components. Easy to install, engineered and designed for fast, hassle-free installation. Corrosion protection – coated wheel studs resist corrosion and rust for easier removal and proper torquing. Integral raceway provides proper clearance between the ball and bearing riding surfaces. Rigorous testing – comprehensive testing throughout design and development processes by MOOG engineers for quality you can count on. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG hub assemblies deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for 2014 Subaru Outback. I bought this to replace a failing front right wheel bearing on our 2014 Subaru Outback 2. 5i Premium. As mentioned, this bearing does not come with any additional hardware, so you'll need to supply your own axle nut or mounting bolts if you have to take any drastic measures. Make sure you do cleanup work on the knuckle once you get the original one out. Use a wire brush to remove rust and use brake cleaner to remove any extra debris and oils. I then use some anti-seize on all the contact surfaces of the knuckle, so if this one needs to be replaced it can be removed easier than the factory original.